Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name in Fortnite. Fortnite is linked with Epic Games, so you need to change your Epic Games name in order to change your Fortnite name. Now to do that, first you want to go to your browser and just search for Epic Games. If you search for Epic Games, click on the first link. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this page, which is the official website of Epic Games. Over here, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, at the top right corner, you will see your dashboard like this. Hover your mouse on top of it, and then from over here, choose on where it says account. Now once you're inside your account, from over here, you can change your name. So let's wait for some time until our account setting loads up. Now once your account setting loads up, make sure you're on the first account setting section. From over here, you can see the display name. Now whatever name is being displayed over here is going to be shown on your Fortnite. So click on this button right beside your name and enter your new display name. So I'm going to name it Kid Gamer OG 59. Once I do this, I need to click on I understand and click on confirm. So remember, once you change your name, you cannot change it again for another 2 weeks. So if you're okay with that, then you can change your name. So once you click and confirm, your name will be changed. So that is how you guys can change your Fortnite name. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time.